Graphic Design Diploma. The Pitman Training Graphic Design Diploma is one of Ireland's leading digital media qualifications. The programme combines both digital graphic design skills using the latest Adobe applications with essential web development skills. With this diploma programme, you'll gain the skills and confidence to work in a range of roles across the graphic design industry, as well as various digital media roles. The diploma is divided into two parts: core courses and elective courses. Core courses are mandatory and include Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign and Adobe Illustrator, as well as WordPress for Business. Elective courses are also included, and you have the option to select two courses most relevant to your career and training objectives, including Adobe Animate and Premiere Pro, Marketing Essentials, Product Management Fundamentals, and many more. After successfully completing your diploma, you'll have the real-world skills and a highly recognised qualification to work in a range of valued and well-paid roles, such as creative designer, UX design assistant, digital designer, and graphic designer. We have centres worldwide, and our training centre in Kerry is conveniently located at Monavalley Business Park in Tralee, with free and safe parking for all our students. Our modern, comfortable training centres are designed to ensure you have the very best training experience. Training rooms are set up to mirror real-world offices, with comfortable chairs, large multi-screen PCs, and of course a team of experienced and supportive tutors to help you with every step of your training. Pitman Training is a highly respected and award-winning organisation, specialising in career-based training for over 180 years. We now offer over 400 courses, and all are accredited by the CPD Standards Office for CPD points, as well as by a range of partners including Microsoft, Adobe, the Association of Accounting Technicians, BCS, CompTIA Digital Marketing Institute, Engineers Ireland, and many more.
The flexi training. The ability to do the course in my own time was a great option, as I had a full-time job, so I wasn't able to make it into Pitman every day. But instead I could do the course at home in my own time, which was a brilliant option to have.
Pitman Training allowed me to study a diploma that now affords me to go back to work at my company in a different role as an in-house desktop publishing resource. For that I am so thankful.
Thanks for all the help and support throughout the course. It was a pleasure to be part of this community.
With the skills and credibility you'll receive with your Pitman Training Diploma, you'll be able to choose the career of your dreams with the very best employers. Our graduates go on to work with some of Kerry's and Ireland's largest employers, including Bosch & Lomb, Zurich Insurance, the HSE, Mater Private Hospitals, Amazon, Apple, Bank of Ireland, Dell EMC, and Sanofi. You won't regret choosing Pitman Training. We're multi-award winning, with unrivaled graduate success rates, offering over 400 CPD accredited courses, from management and HR to tech and software. Established over 180 years ago, we're now Ireland's largest network of independent training centres and a trusted training partner for some of the largest companies in the region. Our friendly team of highly skilled professionals are available to support and guide you, not just during your training, but beyond, until you reach your training or career objective. We offer the most flexible training options, meaning you can complete your diploma by training full-time, part-time, or via distance learning. You can even choose our unique Flexi student option, so you can train at times that suit you. We're now enrolling, so for more information or to request a free consultation with one of our professional course advisors, where you can discuss your exact training and career objectives, contact us now by calling us on free phone 1800 532 632 or visit www.pitman-training.ie.